Erica and or Gregory, hello. As I was walking on my way to class, I encountered a chicken. So I'm in the process now of trying to scoop this fellow up and get him to a sanctuary. I don't know, I think I'll be in class one time, but this is proof that if I tell you I missed class because I was chasing a chicken, you'll know I wasn't lying. Lord, okay. Hey Christy, it's Sammy again.
What are we gonna do with you?
We actually have rescued this chicken here, and I'm wondering, yeah, I've got him here, and I'm not sure where to take him. If you have any ideas, text me or call me.
No.
If I don't hear from you, I'll know you're busy, and I'll figure it out. Okay, thanks, and boo boy. He's eating corn on the cob. Come on. And also he had some grapes. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yummy. Yummy. Water. Hey, chicken. Look how pretty, y'all. Cute. Cute little chicken. Bok, bok, bok. Okay, so you're gonna take him out and put him in your thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big girl.
That's a girl?
Yeah.
I didn't really check, you know.
Come on, Mama. She's in a good house now. Oh, you want?
Oh, thank you so much. So, you want to just have whoever call me, and I'm, you know,
Okay.
and I'll do whatever I need to do to help. Okay, everybody, this is the Gentle Barn. Come visit them. They're the real deal, yo. All's well that ends well.